to Dr. Carol Viral, Dr. Amelita Ejada, our beloved school directress, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to the 16th commencement exercises of St. Mark's Institute for the school year 2008-2009. Our 4 years of high school studies and lots of sacrifices for parents and students alike is culminating with awards and honors to deserving students. In school, our teachers are our surrogate parents, and undoubtedly they make a tremendous influence in our lives. What we learn in school, whether good or bad, take precedence later in life. That's why sometimes overzealousness in believing in the extraordinary intelligence of some people causes disbelief among students and parents alike. Verily, let alone academic performance, lots of parameters comes into play in giving honors and awards. Hence, it is assumed to be fair and square, and recipients feel they deserve it too. Again, we welcome you to this memorable event in our young lives. Thank you and a pleasant afternoon to all.
And now the present